How to fix Use Messenger to keep chatting. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. If you don't want to install Messenger, then here is what you can do to still keep chatting. First thing first, open up any of your preferred web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. Here at the top search bar, type in facebook.com. Then get logged into your Facebook account via a web browser. Now at this page, if you tap on this messenger icon, it will still ask you to download Messenger in order to keep chatting. So in order to bypass this issue, you have to tap on the three dot icon on your top right corner. Here, check the option of desktop site. You will see desktop version of your Facebook. Then you will also see a messenger icon. Tap it. And just like so, this is how you can still keep chatting with people even though you are not installing Messenger. Just like so guys, that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe.